Teen Tested, the show where we review anything and everything for our generation.
I'm Alexa.
And I'm Kendallyn.
And
Today we will be reviewing magnetic lashes.
But before we get started, we have some keywords. If we like the product, we'll say Shawowza. But if we don't, we will take our stick and hit the gong.
Let's get started. So one pro of the packaging is that I love the gold colors and I love the pink in it. It kind of matches well with the black. So good color combinations.
So we're gonna open the box and see. And we also have fake nails on, so this might be a little harder to, And they also have a top and bottom one, so that's pretty cool.
No, because you're supposed to put it together,
yeah.
So like that and stuff.
For the top, that's
yeah.
Hard.
Here you go. So now let's read the directions real quick. So for step 1, it says rotate the applicator to load the top and bottom magnetic lashes. Oh, so that's cool. So we just put it on and then we try and like do that and then it should just do it for us. Oh, so that would be very non-time consuming.
Okay, so you can go first.
Okay. So I'm gonna place this on the top one since this is the top one.
And these aren't like those thick eyelashes where they're like really hard to see and they just look fake. These actually look really real. They also have some black clumps in it.
That's the magnets.
Oh.
How are you supposed to put this to the packaging? Okay, this is good. It's kind of hard trying to put it onto the, it's kind of hard trying to put it on the applicator because it's so tight together. So I think it would be easier if you could just like have it spread out a little bit more and then you could load it back in like by twisting it and stuff. So first, I'm gonna just apply it to my eye. So they are saying, okay, so now I have it down. And now it says, rotate the applicator, it says, place magnetic lashes along the inner edge of the applicator or curve, and both lashes are upwards. Both of my lashes are curving upwards. Step 2, it says, rotate the applicator back to its original position. That's what we have right now. And so now it says place applicator so your natural lashes are between the two magnets. Press down on the applicator to connect the magnetic steps and then release applicator. So it is basically saying, okay, I need a mirror real quick. So it's basically saying that you just want to kind of put it between your eyes. Like that? Oh my gosh, okay, this is kind of hard. Why isn't it doing it? So let's try without the applicator because I don't think the applicator is really helping with this situation. So I'm just gonna try without the applicator and see how much of a difference it is because I'm aligning it and I feel like aligning it just wastes too much time. So first, I'm gonna put the top lash on.
It says you need the applicator now.
I know, but it's not working.
I don't know how that's gonna work.
This is very hard to do. I've never really liked magnetic lashes. I feel like they're just a waste of my time when I could be already done with using natural lashes with the glue and stuff. So I just feel like it's a waste of my time, but I'm trying something new today, and you never know, I might like magnetic lashes more than I like using falsies and glue. But right now, I'm saying I like falsies and glue better. Okay. I cannot sing. Can you hold it with your finger real quick? Look right here.
It's gonna fall.
I know.
Yeah, can you use this
Well, it's not working with
Do you
that
need
picture either. This is a fail. You try how hard it is.
Just one.
Nope. It has to face upwards.
Like this?
Like this.
Yeah, like this?
Like you.
Yeah. Ow. I just stabbed myself in the eye. That
no,
really
you're
hurt.
supposed to put the bottom on it.
I know. This? Okay.
I'm telling you, I don't like it either. Other side.
I know. Thank you, Chair, for catching that for me. Ooh, I think I kind of got it.
You're supposed to put the bottom on. It's gonna hold it, because that will fall off. And hold on. Ah! Oh wait. Okay, hold on. Wait.
Hold on for what?
I'm kind of this is the best I could get right now. I would not go out in public looking like this.
They fall off very easily, that's the thing.
It looks like I did it blindfolded.
I got them on, but they come off very easily.
And it's a huge con of this. It's very heavy. It's very like kind of drooping on my eye because of how heavy this kind of metal and magnets is. I don't really like how heavy it is.
So I think I have my answer. Okay. I give this a Gong. See you guys next time. Bye.